Have you ever discovered the perfect house? I have. Have you ever wanted to be able to park your RV, connect to power, and have a sewer dump? Have a workshop in your garage that is an oversized 3-car plus garage? Or relax in your backyard around a fireplace with this beautiful awning, looking at this great view? Not only that, the inside of the house is absolutely beautiful as well. You got to check this out. Come with me. All right, you get a little sneak peek of the interior, but I want to show you how cool the out of doors is in this house. Is it a little warm in the afternoons? It used to be. Beautiful xeriscaping, completely low maintenance. Cornhole, anyone? Did you always want a hot tub? This one comes with the house. And check out this RV cover. 12 feet tall, with power, with a sewer dump. I'm saving the house for last because the house is really, really cool. But you don't often find a garage like I'm gonna show you now. Okay, a little sneak peek of the house, but we're gonna look at the garage. Okay, you got a workbench. You got an oversized furnace. You got a 2-car door. You got a 1-car door. You got a golf cart door. You got a sink. You've got another workbench. I just don't know what else you need. So I love this house. I love the modern touches. I love the floor plan. They have done such a great job with this. So you can see this beautiful, great room here. The TV is gonna stay. Gorgeous open kitchen, floating shelves, dining area. I just love these fixtures. I think they did such a great job. Let's check out the primary. What a beautiful open space this is. I love these tall ceilings. You got this really cool barn door going into this oversized laundry. Primary bedroom, and you'll notice on all of the windows they've got these zebra blinds. Those are a huge upgrade, and all of those are staying. Primary bath, big walk-in, dual vanity, granite countertops, dual shower heads in this gigantic shower. This is so much fun. So 2 additional bedrooms here with a full bath. And again, these beautiful blinds throughout. So guest bedroom, den, office, TV room, very functional, really cool. Love the finishes, love this house. So you've got over 1,700 square feet. You got the giant garage. You've got this cool landscaping. You really have everything that a person could need. And this house is a great price. Let me know if you want a personal tour. I would love to show you this one.